VEVOR asked me to take a look at this product and make this short video, so let's take it out of the box and check it out. Here's the repair seat all put together, super simple to do. Just got to put the casters on the bottom and then bolt down the seat. There's 4 bolts. They give you the tools you need to do all of that. They give you an instruction manual, shows you how to do it, very easy. It's a nice padded seat that has a ridge on the back edge here so that as you're sitting in it, you'll know not to roll off the back. You'll be able to feel that this is the back of the seat. So that works out pretty good. Down at the bottom, it's got like a tool storage, so you can put kinds of nuts and bolts and junk down here. It's even got a little separated section here, and then a wire piece here as part of the structure that holds the whole thing together. So you can put even other tools on that as well. When it's in the down position like it is now, the seat comes in at about, yeah, it's about 22, 23 inches of height on the seat. But as you're sitting on it, you got this little paddle control, and you can adjust it, and you can bring it up as you need to come up. And it's going to come up like another 6 inches or so. And you're going to see that you can get about 28, 29 inches of height out of the stool. So if you've got a workbench situation like this here, then it's going to be really comfortable to be able to get that just to the right height that you need to do the work that you're going to do. So hey, I hope this is helpful to learn a little bit more about this repair seat from VEVOR. I hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.